Hey everyone, in this video we are fixing the issue where your NVIDIA graphics card is not detected or showing up on Windows. So let's just get right into it and fix the issue. So what we can do is we can start by showing our hidden devices. Hit Windows plus X for that and head over to your device manager and open it up. Once you open up your device manager, what you may do is you can go over and go to this option for view. Click on it and select the option for showing hidden devices. This one right here. After that is done, you can just go and expand the display adapters right here. And when you do, it will show your NVIDIA. Check if it is available in the list or not. Step number 2 you can do is you can try updating or reinstalling the GPU drivers. So you can just go over and download the latest driver for NVIDIA. You can look out for NVIDIA here. If not here, you can head over to their official website and install with clean installation option. And also what you can do is you can check for Windows Update. Hit Windows plus I for that and go over to this option called Windows Update and open it up. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and look out for the option for Windows Update, and once you find it up, you can just go ahead and update your Windows. You can just install the all pending updates sometimes driver also come via the Windows Update itself. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go ahead and check our hardware issues. You can ensure the GPU is seated properly for desktop PC, or check the PCIe slot or power cables. And also you can try reinstalling NVIDIA Control. You can go to Microsoft Store for that and basically search for NVIDIA Control Panel and go ahead and install it and reinstall if it is missing. And that's it. Most of the time that should fix the issue. So that is it, guys. You may follow this process. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.